Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and jumping straight into editor mode. Open Ponytown and enter the map editor. This is the only way to build a map in-game. Once inside, pick a grid size and base tiles because they define scale and performance. Make sure to import or select sprites, layers, and the color palette now, since they determine visual consistency. You need these pieces before placing terrain. Having them ready prevents rework and keeps editing fluid, so you can progress without pausing to fetch assets. Next, lay out the core structure by blocking in paths, buildings, and key areas so you can see flow and scale. This is where planning meets execution. Once done, place elements on separate layers, ground, objects, and collision, because layers let you edit visuals without breaking walkability. Make sure to test walkable zones as you go. Playtest small sections to confirm navigation. Also, establish a save habit. Save iterations and name versions to roll back if layout choices fail or cause clutter later. Finish by polishing art, lighting, and interactable objects so your map looks intentional and functions well. Small visual fixes improve player readability. Once polished, run a full playtest, walk every path, trigger every interaction, and fix collisions or unreachable spots because those are the common final stage failures. If issues persist, revert to a saved iteration and isolate the change. When clean, export or publish the map, share it, and create an external backup to prevent data loss. This troubleshooting step saves hours if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.